Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is our evening drive time update, guys. We're going to be talking about some pretty bad news for Robinhood and how could that affect the Dogecoin community. So we're going to be talking about that. Also, some good news. We could have a spot Ethereum ETF soon. And also, we're going to be talking about Jim Cramer. What did Jim Cramer say about Bitcoin out there? We need to know. Is this a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Guys, don't forget, this ain't financial advice. Don't forget to smash the likes like crazy. Show some freaking love out there. Show some love out there, guys. Finally, show some love. And remember, it's a great time to be alive. So let's dive into the content. Howdy. If you just come here for the first time, and don't forget to subscribe. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Pow, guys, let's get into it. So right now, we can see that the pre-markets right now are looking pretty good. So it looks like we can have a green, fantastic day out there, guys. So that is pretty good out there. I'm loving it. It looks like Grayscale CEO says most of the 11 approved Bitcoin ETFs won't survive, defends highest fees in industry. I think Grayscale, he's been a little bit of a Debbie Downer out there. Remember, he's been selling a ton of their Bitcoin. I think they're probably going to be the first one to go down. So stop being a weak Nancy. Stop being a weak Nancy, Michael Sonner Sheehan. I was going to say a bad word. I figure I better not. I might get BBD beat by YouTube out there, guys. So far, this January, it's not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Everybody was expecting the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Everyone was expecting a pump. And basically what happened is basically there was a forerun on Bitcoin. This whole anticipation, everybody was buying Bitcoin, going nuts. And, that drove up the price. We can see that Bitcoin is kind of oversold right now. And then when the Bitcoin spot ETFs came out, nothing really happened except things went down. People kind of panicked. People took profits. I told you about that. And that's what happened, guys. That's what happened. And keep in mind that with the Bitcoin spot ETFs, it's only been like a week, okay? So it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time for the Bitcoin spot ETFs to be digested by the market, for the, financial advisors to go out to the market and talk to their clients about spot Bitcoin ETFs. So it's going to take some time. So I'm anticipating that February, crypto should be looking better, guys. But still, it's a good time to be buying the dips, guys. Overall, we're seeing that on the daily right now, Bitcoin is down like 2.63%. Everything's down. The only thing that's back up is the BNB. We're going to be talking about why. Why is BNB pumping? Why is it Binance Coin pumping? We're going to be talking about that. So buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Overall, total crypto prices by market cap, the total market cap is down about 2.71%. We probably may see this continue going down when the U.S. opens. Out there, we're seeing Bitcoin is getting hit hard. Ethereum is getting hit hard, not as hard as Bitcoin. We're seeing that a lot of people have taken profits from Bitcoin and have moved those to altcoins. That's why altcoins have been doing so well as of late. Right now, no, we're seeing consolidation. We're seeing that BNB is up right now. Define odds. Also, Solana is down. XRP is down. Everything is not good. Even Doge is down. Everything is just not good, guys. It's like an Annabelle day out there. Fear and greed right now. Let me give them a minty refresh. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin freaking 111. Right now, it's at 51. Remember, the fear and greed, this is a contrarian freaking indicator. So, the lower this goes in this direction, this is signaling it's a good time to buy. So I still believe we're going to see some more drops happening for Bitcoin, but it seems that Trader Target sees that Bitcoin parabolic bull run is right around the corner. I still believe we're going to see some more downside. I believe that we could see Bitcoin probably going down as low as 38 to 39,000 ranging around there before we have a nice reversal of the upside. That is what I'm thinking. T Analyst also believes a Bitcoin bull begins, and he's predicting, we could see 500K coming at the top side of the bull run out there. So we're kind of right here inside this upward triangle or wedge triangle, whatever you want to call them. We got some huge resistance, 68,000 on previous top. So we're just kind of in here. I think we're gonna consolidate a while, just around there for a while. I think that's gonna happen. So, yeah. So this is probably the beginning. According to Rec Capital, is this the beginning of a retrace? Next month or so will be crucial. I think we're going to have a bit of a retrace. Okay. Right now, we can see that Bitcoin right now is trading at 41,470. Now, we have some upward trending resistance right here now, okay? We have some support right now for Bitcoin around about $40,000. I believe that we're probably going to collapse down, and we're probably going to trade between 40 and 38,000. I think that's going to be the next range. So I really think that we're probably, based on what's going on now, I think that we're probably going to probably bounce around in here for a while, probably consolidate here for a while before we take off. That's what I'm thinking. I think February pretty much consolidation out there, and I do think that we could be seeing a retrace, guys, a retrace out there. So that's what I'm thinking out there. So buckle up, guys. Buy the dips, dollar cost average, and don't get shaken out, guys. Don't get shaken out of the market, guys. Ethereum is 24.86, a little bit of green, just turning green on the Binance chart. Remember, this is a Binance chart. When I show you this here, ladies and gentlemen, this is a consolidation of all the exchanges. Remember, different exchanges have different slippers, so you're going to see different prices. Keep that in mind. So this is the aggregate of all the exchanges. So this is the average price, okay? This is the derived price on Binance for Ethereum. This is the derived price for Bitcoin on Ethereum. And this is Dogecoin. So right now we can see the Dogecoin is struggling well below the EMA ribbons. We are collapsing down. We have a spinning top right here. You see this here is a spinning top. So the market doesn't know if it's going to go up or going to go down. I'm more inclined to think that we're probably going to snap all the way down to 0.735. I think we're going to see that in the short term. Long term, I'm bullish on Dogecoin. Long term, I'm bullish on Ethereum. Long term, I'm hell yeah bullish on Bitcoin. So that's what's going on. Let's talk about some of the breaking news that's happening right now. We're seeing that Binance has rebounded with significant inflows. Remember, they had this whole court case. They've settled it now, so that is good. So we're seeing about 4.6 billion of inflows into Binance right now. So that's pretty good. Despite the legal challenges and leadership changes, Binance has seen net inflows of 4.6 billion since its November settlement with the U.S. agencies. That is pretty good. So we're seeing a lot of inflows. So the Binance is sound again, sound as a pallet. So that is pretty good. Their trouble is over. Good news. There is more than 50% chance of spot Ethereum ETF approval by May. So that is good news. I think that this is what Ethereum needs. This will help bring more liquidity to the market. So that is pretty good. Now, Jim Cramer, he's calling for a Bitcoin sell-off. So the inverse Cramer is saying there's going to be a big sell-off. So hopefully he is, true to form, inverse freaking Cramer, and we are going to see that the opposite is going to happen, and we're going to have a lot of people buying Bitcoin like crazy. So I think once we see Bitcoin price start to drop down into this range here, I think we're going to see some buying, guys. We could even see it go down to these levels, 35 to for 37, 38. It's also okay. This is a good buying opportunity, guys. So I think, yeah, I'm not too panicky. Out there. Jim Cramer, we love you. Opposite Cramer. Also, guys, illicit crypto transactions fell from 39 billion in 2022 to 24.2 billion. Now, there's been a big shift. In previous years, most of the illicit transactions was in Bitcoin, but there seems to be a more propensity, a more liking for stable coins out there like USTD and all that kind of stuff. So that's good news that the amount of the scams and illicit crypto transactions are down. So that is good news out there. Good freaking news out there. And this is interesting. A staggering 59,000 Bitcoin initially purchased 3 to 6 months ago at an average price of $26,000 was recently sold, netting an impressive 57.69% profit. That equates to a total gain of around about $885 million. So there has been some sell. So that's another reason why we're seeing Bitcoin down as well, because of this whole selling pressure out there, guys. So Robinhood is in freaking trouble. They paid $7.5 million settlement over trading gamification. So this kind of thing has been going on since December 2020. So finally, it's over. It's freaking over. But they have been told basically to clean up their act. Don't do it again, or you're going to be in big trouble, Robinhood. So remember, most of the Dogecoin is on Robinhood. So keep that in freaking mind. So Robinhood is in trouble again, guys. So hopefully that doesn't affect Dogecoin, and Dogecoin will be just fine and dandy. So right now we're seeing the total market cap is down 2.46% for Doge. That's around about 11.15 billion, and we're still in the 10th spot. And volume-wise, we're up 41%. So that is pretty good. A lot more buying and selling for Dogecoin. So that's pretty good. We're seeing a little bit of a peak there. So that's good news. Good news. Some activity, some on-chain activity. Oh, that's so pretty good. Guys, remember the total U.S. debt just broke above 34 trillion, which means U.S. debt is now up again. And that's a massive 50% jump in U.S. debt since the pandemic. OMG, out there, out of control. So let's talk about Dogecoin price analysis on the 4-hour price chart. As you can see here, Dogecoin has been consolidating around about 0.780, okay? Dogecoin price analysis on the chart below shows that the token broke out from this ascending channel on the 4-hour, okay? It's broken out of this ascending on the 4-hour price chart, indicating a possible bearish reversal. The digital asset is currently trading at 0.78 as the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA are moving closer to each other. So this is not good, guys. This is more indications that Dogecoin could be going down. So if we take a look at the Doge USD one-day price chart here, this is also something different. The one-day price chart for Dogecoin price analysis is going in a bearish direction for the day. As the price has crashed slower than expected, there have been a massive rise of bearish momentum, and the price levels are going down, which has resulted in the value pricing reaching 0.7801. And guys, it's not looking good, because the fact that the EMA is on the verge of bringing the bearish crossover with the 50 EMA will alert the bears. The MACD is in negative territory again. So we can see here that the MACD is in negative territory again. And that is not good, guys. That is not good, and will remain so until the bulls gain traction. The moving averages average conversion divergence. The moving average convergence divergence. Wow, I can't believe I freaking wrote that. The moving average convergence divergence entertains the bearish crossover, which will precede the histogram in the negative territory. The RSI trading at 39.49, just below the neutral zone. So that's good. Neutral zone out there. So it's not looking good for Dogecoin right now. It's looking like poo-poo shwana out there, guys. And price predictions, guys. Here's some price predictions for Dogecoin in 2024, 2033. So they're looking at, price predictions around about 11 to 12 cents in 2024. Now, they are saying that we should hit, according to this, we should hit a buck in 2030. Now, I think it's going to be coming faster. What do you guys think? Smash the likes. Tell me. I appreciate it. Smash the freaking likes. Smash the likes. Smashy, washy the likes, guys. Tell me what you think. Guys, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it the freak off there. I appreciate that. And get a NANO freaking Leger, guys. The link is down there, guys. And also go down there, show some love, guys. Show some freaking love out there. And give me a super thanks. Support the channel, guys. I appreciate that. And guys, I did ask Grok. What is the price of Bitcoin, Dogecoin in 2024? And they said a low of 12 cents and a high of 34.89. Guys, what do you think about that? I appreciate it. Please comment, guys. And remember, Dogecoin will soon do this. Dogecoin will go higher. Parabolic move. I'm still loving the Doge on the long term, guys. So that's about all I got, guys. Do go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. Follow out there, guys. We got over 10K followers. Let's get the engagement up. I appreciate that. I would definitely appreciate that. And if you want to go and watch all of my videos, you can go to Twitter and also watch on there as well. No, X, right? X, Twitter. Oh, that's bad. So yeah, I've just posted this, so you can go watch it if you want. It's there, guys. It's there. I appreciate it, guys. So much love out there. Be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.